Hey beauties, it is your favorite girl, Jessica Nicole. And as you guys can see, I'm starting off with absolutely nothing on my face, and that is because I'm doing a get ready with me. Now, I'm not doing a chit chat get ready with me because I ain't got nothing to tell y'all. And you know, it's not one of those other get ready with me. It's actually a jam session. I haven't done a jam session in so long, and if you guys don't know what a jam session is, it's basically just me doing my makeup and rocking out to music. This one, this damn dog. This jam session is actually going to be my radio on Apple Music. So I'm gonna ask Siri to play my radio, and whatever plays is where I gotta jam out to. I hope this is good because I get different radios every single time. Before we get into this video, like we always do, we want to shout out the gang. Like I say, I'm never consistent at the moment, and I am figuring out how to be consistent, and I hope that you guys appreciate it. But I know who appreciate me the most, and that is my gang, because you guys are always the first one to watch my videos, and I can't explain my love for y'all in any other way. But let's stop the rambling and get into this video. Hey Siri.
Go ahead.
Play my radio.
Okay. Baby, why don't you come on and let us play? When are you going to come my way? I'm gonna take you right there. Love for a long time. Keep a firm grip on what you hold. More valuable than a photograph. Like a nigga don't dance, but he make moves. I know she wanna be popping all over the ground. When the cameras come, I don't wanna hold my head. Must be out of your mind, you know why. Like the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. It makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus? Maybe I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on you. I can feel your hand moving up my thighs. I don't give a damn what they think. I want you now, anytime, and any place. I don't care where you're from. Sex with me so amazing. All this all work, no vacation. Ooh, oh yeah. I'm on the hella. I'm making it like the truth. You know I got the sauce. You know I'm saucy, and it's always wet. A bitch never ever had to use lipgloss on it. I'ma need you to sex with me is amazing for her to feel alright. I'll give you the world and all that you wish for. Baby, I'll give you everything. But I will roll over to your curve and take somebody on so nice and curvy. Yeah, reminiscing on that. I gotta go, I got responsibilities I gotta take care of. When you're up and legs around me. Ooh, say ooh. Girl, I can't be surrounded. Anniversary. Time is always taken. Let's take our time tonight, girl. Above us, all the stars are watching. We won't meet it no more. Let's just kiss till we naked, baby. The Sacha on the floor. Town, she about to go downtown for a whole hour. If I had it, you can have it, and it don't matter. Ask me if I do this every day, I say it often. Not so many times she wrote the way, not so often. Don't be witness, probably true they say about me. Probably came from my inner circle. I say but you bring me out together every time again. Damn jeans, them jeans, they must be uptight. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? And see those eyes. Every time I look into your eyes. No. Oh, it's really yes. But when I ask you what's the deal, hold on inside. If you wanna be with me, you gotta keep it real. If you keep acting this way, you're gonna lose my love. I ain't got no time to play, baby. You seem so shy. What's the problem, baby? Never had a girl like that. You regret, I must confess. It could be US. There's so many letters. Count it up, count it, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it. Can't take it when you die, but you can't live without it. Count it up, count it, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it. Can't take it when you die. Relax, I wanna give you some good fuck. Lights the music turned up. Feel life every time you get up. Now let me give you some nice wine. Call it her, I'm not alkaline. If the pussy up one more time. But the things on church, you got. Feel like every time you get up. Let me give you some nice wine. Call it her, I'm not alkaline. Why every time I'm in tennis, if you take your jaws off, you feel like you like that. Why every time you come with me, you're firm like you want to be like you. We make food car. Ah, you don't know how fit we don't attack. I don't show your father bunker. When we run up on you, everybody's father copper. Some brother, boss one in your young brother. You see the one of them, not this none of medium brother. Hold me like you can. Never see me again. Hold me like you and her. You live up in the summer room when you come to sky. You see that I miss you and her. No, Pinky bling. Hear me now, boy. Set me so. Grab up me ear and you let it go. Slap up my body and choke me now. In a bedside. Pussy vale. Your man a spend time. And when you stress him out, he might be playing time. I'm so destined with the most, that's why I'm saying kind. You ain't got me here, so you know why I'm friend from. We shouldn't be anything so much. Overthinking, understand us. Baby, I think we should do something crazy. Baby, while we're young, we should just have fun. We should just do whatever we want and tell everyone that we're so in love with each other. We should just say fuck everyone. And you don't belong to me, so you won't have to let me go. Ooh, I have to be to get so red. Reciprocity. I'm saying that I had inside, and you took my love. You took my love. Oh, let it go. Been through more than a little bit, been through more than a little bit, but I ain't calling no names out, no people motion. Cross the concrete, you know it ain't sweet. Can tell me anything. What does she do? I do everything, I move everything. Put that on my wedding ring, put that on my baby name. You and I are meant to be. I have waited lifetimes to find you. Now that you're here, I can't remind you. Wouldn't waste my time. Put all this sugar cutting points. I met her here one time. Try to tell her I'm a don't believe what they say, just believe what they do. Tell you
Alright, beauties, I am all done. I am definitely in a rush right now. So while I was doing my makeup, I was actually getting ready for work, and I have to be at work in less than an hour. And it takes me about like 30-40 minutes to get to work, so I really got to rush out of here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this jam session. I enjoyed doing these videos. If you guys enjoy it, let me know in the comments down below, and comment what kind of music you guys want for the next jam session so that we could do more. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.